health updates covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. BioXcel's BXCL501 has achieved a major milestone, demonstrating its potential for at-home use. The drug met its primary endpoint in a Phase 3 trial, proving its safety and tolerability for the at-home treatment of agitation in bipolar disorder and schizophrenia patients. The trial involved over 2,400 treated agitation episodes, highlighting its ability to address an unmet medical need. BioXcel plans to submit a supplemental new drug application in early 2026 to broaden its use. The FDA has approved LEQEMBI IQLIK, a subcutaneous version of lecanemab for the maintenance treatment of early Alzheimer's disease patients. This approval offers a more convenient at-home treatment option following initial intravenous administration. It is based on extensive clinical trial data that show LEQEMBI's efficacy and safety in maintaining treatment. Gilead's Yeytuo has received European approval as the first twice-yearly injectable treatment for HIV prevention. Clinical trials show near zero infections among patients treated with Yeytuo compared to those using traditional daily PrEP pills. The approval offers a new, more convenient option for HIV prevention, particularly in high-risk populations, and is expected to improve adherence to treatment. AbbVie has acquired Gilgamesh Pharmaceuticals, which is developing bretisilocin, a psychedelic compound aimed at treating major depressive disorder. Early trials have shown rapid and sustained antidepressant effects with bretisilocin, further expanding AbbVie's footprint in psychiatry and psychedelic therapies. Iterum Therapeutics has launched Orlynvah, the first new branded treatment for uncomplicated urinary tract infections in 25 years. This oral antibiotic aims to combat antibiotic resistance while providing a new treatment option for women at risk of recurrent urinary tract infections. Orlynvah's approval marks a significant milestone in the treatment of uncomplicated urinary tract infections. In Japan, the sale of emergency contraception, Orlynvah, will now be allowed over the counter. This policy change increases access to reproductive health services, following global trends in women's health care. The decision is expected to result in a rise in the use of emergency contraception throughout the country. Denmark has issued a formal apology for the forced contraception of Greenlandic women between 1966 and 1970, a policy rooted in colonialism. This apology comes ahead of a full investigation and potential compensation for the affected women, marking an important step toward addressing systemic discrimination in Greenland's history. CVS Health has decided not to add Yeytuo, Gilead's HIV prevention shot, to its drug coverage lists, despite the drug's near-zero infection rate in clinical trials. The decision stems from ongoing concerns about pricing, as Yeytuo carries a $28,000 annual price tag. Public health advocates are disappointed by the delay in making this potentially life-saving drug more accessible. Reunion Neuroscience's Phase 2 trials for its psychedelic drug RE104 show promise in treating postpartum depression. The drug significantly reduced depressive symptoms, with lasting effects up to 28 days after a single injection. The company plans to initiate Phase 3 trials next year. Stay ahead in women's health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.